Hey boys, welcome back. Pumptober is here. Bitcoin is at 119K. Nasdaq and ES at all-time high. This might be it, boys, and I'm changing my bias right here. And we need to get into some continuation longs on Solana and Ethereum and Bitcoin. So I'm going to tell you how you can trade this. And by the way, yesterday I actually longed the top, and it was already filled. Like I've already closed this trade. I went to sleep, TP set, and then boom, when I woke up, we're in profits. But right now, we're chopping a little bit. Um, Bitcoin's looking really strong. ES and Nasdaq just back tested all-time high, previous all-time high. A little bit chop of at VWAP, but I am long on Nasdaq, 5 micros only, and I want to see if we can invert this gap right here, get above it, and go ahead and make another all-time high today or during PM session. So for the data, I'm not sure if datas are gonna be delayed because I haven't really checked the news, but I think we have today we don't have any news today, but tomorrow I'm not sure if the data is gonna be there for NFP, but market's looking really bullish, boys. So the reason why I'm changing my bias was because of this. I didn't short this because it was, look at this daily candle, boys. Like, that is a super bullish daily candle. All right, so this was like my TA. Like in my playbook, and from my mentor, like nobody would long this type of low and this because it's a weak low, and usually Bitcoin is going to print something like that and then come back for it, trap more shorts, and then go back up. But no, PA has changed. Honestly, PA has changed so much this year, and you just have to adapt. Now we need to get into some continuations long because this daily candle close above the POC is very strong. And this was our first attempt to get above it and crush 618. And then we failed, come back down, and then boom, finally crushed it. So we're almost at value area high. Let me mark this out. Value VH. All right. And then, so let's look at the weekly, see if we get some resistance up here. So weekly has been, well, we're above this weekly candle already. Levels. Uh, so we're above this weekly candle. Then we're at value area high. Next is 786 probably, but I feel like once we get above that, probably gonna go higher, boys. So continuation longs. Let's see. Let's go to 6 hour. It's looking very strong. All right. I almost forgot, but before we get into the TA, boys, please subscribe if you want to support your channel. I post daily updates on crypto, altcoins, tutorials about prop firms. If you want to get funded, I have a video here how to get funded for crypto trading with a $300,000 worth of capital. So I also have some links down below if you want to support me. You got Weeks, Coinflare, no KYC, big bonuses, by the way. You got Bybit. And then for client funding, if you want to buy some evaluations or direct to funded accounts, I have, I think I have one of the biggest discounts right now on the market. So you got 25% off on evaluations and then 15% off on instant funded accounts. All right. So those are my links, and let's get into the TA. So yesterday I gave you guys this long because I was like, if we get a little bit of back test, retest on this one, I think that we would, would be a great long, but we did. They didn't want to give us entry, boys, and we just keep on going up. Look at that. So I'm going to remove that. I'll still keep. Nah, I don't want to keep it now. But let's check where we can. I'm going to delete this daily, this monthly, because it's all been tapped already. This one, Yeah, this daily too. Let's remove this. All right, so let's see. Let's go a little bit into 1 hour. I think it's just gonna go keep on going straight up, boys. To be honest, I think we have a little bit of volume right here. Hold on, let me change. What about there? Hmm. What about there? Okay, we have something here. We have something here, boys. There's something to work on for continuation longs. All right. Let's check the levels. What do we have for today? Then maybe anchored VWAP. Where is the anchored VWAP today? And then what about here? What about here? Hmm. Okay. I think I have some ideas for continuation longs. All right. So I would say if we do get if this is like the high right now, that's like the high. I want to see how we react at the daily open. You got a POC there and previous day high. So I'm going to mark it out for continuation longs. Uh, what do we have here? Maybe this low, but I don't know. Previous, I feel like previous month high is going to hold as well. But it's so hard to long here, guys, to be honest, because this is like way beyond premium right now. But let's just mark some levels out. So I feel like those are, you know what? I'm going to scratch this. I might not long that, but I think the best longs right now would be this. You got previous day EQ, you got the local golden pocket there. And if we go deeper here, yeah, if you use this low, you also have golden pocket there. And then previous week open. Yeah. Yeah. I think those are nice continuation longs. I'm just gonna put some boxes to mark it out. But this one I think still the best long. But I'm not sure if we're gonna go down that deep now that it's looking really, really strong. Like like ideally you don't wanna lose previous day equilibrium. And maybe we could just back test this. Where is this? Maybe we could just back test this. Wait, let me. The POC, maybe we could back test the POC. Yeah. Yeah, I think previous month high is the best right now. You have the POC of this whole range. Look at that. Like most of the volume right now is traded there. So I think this is a great long. Previous month high, POC of the whole range. And then let me see the anchored view of here. Come on. Why wouldn't it show? Yeah, I think anchored view was also there. Or not. But we get a back test, boom, go higher again, right? So ideally that's the plan for Bitcoin for continuation. Once we clear this right here, I think we're gonna go finally to 130K, 140K, even 150K. Everything is looking bullish. Nasdaq, ES, all-time highs. Let's look at my long again. It's still chopping right now, but I'm keeping it open because I feel like we're going to flip this, invert this 5 minute gap right there. So those are my levels for today, and let's look at like some negative fibs. I wonder like how the negative fibs are going to um oops, hold on. All right, so for negative fibs, you got 141K, you got 152K up to 169K. I'm not sure if we're gonna go that high, but just keep those numbers up. That would be crazy, right? We go to 200K last number on the negative fibs, but I'm just gonna keep that open. All right, so those are my continuation longs for Bitcoin. I will post you guys which one I'm going to take. So you have to join our Telegram channel, but ideally, this one should hold like the POC and the previous month open. You got a big confluence right there. Let's check the naked daily point of controls. What do we got for today? Oh, PDEQ. Look up PDEQ, boys. I think PDEQ is really nice as well because you get a daily naked point of control. Yeah, so PDEQ, I would say, would also be nice. Then, yeah, that's it. You don't have anything up here. Down below, you also got some. So, all right, those are my levels. Thank you, boys, for watching. I'm going to send a screenshot on my Telegram channel so that you guys can see. Don't forget to subscribe, boys. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.